Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School. My name is Poonam Gupta, your second standard teacher. Today I will teach you subject mathematics, topic ascending and descending order of numbers from your mathematics textbook of standard 2nd, page number 39 to 40. So children, please take out page number 39 of your mathematics textbook. Children, what you all can see in this picture? Yes, it's hippos or hippopotamus. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hippos. They all are alike but different in size. Tell me which is smallest? Yes, this hippo is the smallest one because its size is very small and no one is smaller than it. Like that, which one is biggest in size? This one. Yes, we can see that this hippo is biggest one. Now children, I hope you understood what is smallest means. The last smallest thing is a smallest and the last bigger thing is called as biggest or number. Here we can see the picture of some people. He is a man or a father and he has 1, 2, 3, 4 sons. This baby is the smallest one out of this 5. So we will give him number 1 because 1 is the smallest number out of the 5. And we will give him a second number to this boy because this boy is little bigger than the baby. And we will give him this blue t-shirt boy, we will give him a third number because he is bigger than this green t-shirt boy. Like this, we will give him fourth number, that is the eldest boy. And the last number, that is fifth one, we will give him to the father, that is who is the biggest one out of this 5. So children, from this example, we will come to know that in number 1 is the smallest one and 5 is the biggest one. Now, from that example, we come to know that if you see the 5th number which we have given to this man, it is the biggest number, and the one which is we have given to the baby, we have put this number from smallest to biggest. So this order of number is called as ascending order. The number increases from smallest to biggest is called as ascending order. Now we will see the definition of ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest is called as ascending order. Here we have one example. 23 is smallest number out of these three numbers. 23 is smaller. We will put the smaller than sign. And 43 is greater out of these two. And 61 is the biggest number. With the help of smaller than sign, we have to show the ascending order numbers. Children, to understand that ascending number, we will take one example here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 mugs. So out of these 4 mugs, tell me children, which one is smallest? Yes, this mug is smallest. So we will give it number 1. And the little bigger, if you have to put the number in ascending order, you have to go smallest to biggest. So after 1, this smallest mug, which is little bigger than that mug. Yes, this one. This one is little bigger than the smallest one. So we will write the number 2 here. Now what will be the little bigger than this mug? Yes, this one. So we will put the number 3. And after that, which one is more little bigger than this third wala mug? That is this one. So we will write the number 4. Means this fourth number mug is the biggest one. So when we have to put the number in ascending order, what we will do? We have to take the smallest number first. So out of these 4 mugs, we will put this smallest mug first. Let us see. Like this. Here we have taken the smallest mug. That is this one. Now the second one is the second number mug. That is this one. After that we will take the third number mug. That is little bigger than the second one. And last one, that is the biggest one. That is little bigger than the third one. Like this, from smallest to biggest, arranging number is called as ascending order. Ascending order. Now we have understood that ascending order means smaller to bigger. So first, to find that or put that all this number in ascending order, we have to find which is smallest number out of these 3. For that, we have to compare each number with each other. Here we have all 3 numbers of 2 digit. So to compare, we have learnt in our previous lesson in comparing numbers that how to compare 2 digit number. So what you have to do children? Yes, we have to check the tens place first. First we will compare 36 with 23. So out of these 2 number, which one is smaller? To check that, we will compare the tens place. Here we have at the tens place, in 36 we have 3 at tens place and in 23 we have 2 at the tens place. So 2 is smaller than 3, means 23 is smaller. So we will write here 23 is smaller than 36. The crocodile's mouth is open towards the bigger number. Then we will compare 36 with 17. Then we will compare 23 with 17. 23. In 23 we have 2 at tens place, and in 17 we have 1 at tens place. So out of these two number, 1 is smaller, means 17 is smaller than 23, means 23 is bigger number. So we will write here 17 is smaller than 23. So what you will find, children, that 17 is the smallest out of this 3 number. So we will write 17 first. So we will cut the 17 number. Out of these 3, we have seen that 17 is a smallest number. So we write here 17 is first number, that is the smallest one. Now what will be the next number after that? Yes, out of 23 and 36, which number is smaller? 23. So we will write 23 at the next value. Here we will cut that number, and now the remaining number, that is 36, that is the biggest number out of these 3. So we will write here 36. Now from this we will get that our ascending order of this 3 number. Here we have one more question. We have 3 numbers here, 46, 30 and 32. We have to put this number in ascending order. For that, again, we have to compare all these 3 numbers with each other. So tell me, children, first what we will do? Yes, first we have to compare these 2 numbers first. Here we have number 46. In 46 we have 4 at the tens place, and in 30 we have 3 at the tens place. So out of these 2, 4 is greater and 3 is smaller. So we understood that 30 is smaller. So we will write the closed mouth of our crocodile towards the 30 and open mouth towards the greater number. So now we have understood that 30 is smaller than 46. Now again we will compare 30 with 32. For that also we have to compare the tens place with each other. Here at 30 we have 3, and here at 32 also we have 3. So what do we do, children? Yes, when we have tens place same, then we have to compare the units place. Then you have to compare the units place. Here we have at unit place 0, and here we have at units place 2. Out of these 2, 0 is smaller, means 30 is smaller than 32. So we will write that here 30 is smaller than 32. So what we will find that, children, with this? That from both the number 30 is smaller. So we will write the number 30 first here. This is the smallest number. So out of these 3, first we will cut this number because we have written this number here. Then again, out of this remaining number, which number is smallest? We have seen that 46 and 32. We will compare tens, and both the places we have 4 is greater. Out of this 2 number, the tens place of 46 is greater than 32. Then 32 is smaller than 46. Means we will write 32, the next number out of this 2. So we will cut 32 also and write it here. Next, the remaining left number is 46. So we will write the biggest number 46. Means here 17 is a smallest number. So we will write smallest, and 36 is a greatest number. Here 30 is smallest number and 46 is a greatest number out of this 3 number. Now children, like this you can find ascending order by comparing. Children, I hope you understood this topic. So please do practice at home. So, thank you and bye-bye for now. We will meet you in the next video. So like, subscribe and share our channel.